All right, guys, welcome back. Hope you guys all having a good day. Last day of 2024, 2025 tomorrow, and we have off 1 day session, and then we have 2 trading sessions in the next year. And this week, what I am watching for this name, SOUNHound, we have been talking about this name for quite some time. And in the last time I was talking about probability of this breaking out or breaking down, or at the same time maybe just killing premium up and down before it cracks below and finally goes lower to test its 50-day moving average. I myself, I think I traded this one very small size. I got pretty lucky with this one yesterday where I was pushing for a little bit larger size where luckily didn't get filled too much, but a little bit of a profit. Went with puts around 23.50-ish, and I got out right here at $20 support today. So I think this $20 is a support, and unless it cracks these levels, I'm going to be watching this name maybe kill a little bit of a premium for the rest of the year, for the rest of the week actually. So next year, I'm not sure, but I was thinking that if we're going to have a little bit of an unwind in overall market, end of the year profit taking, beginning of the year profit taking, I thought that small caps would have pretty much declined right here, right now, and pretty much for the rest of the week. And I'm seeing some declines on some of the smaller caps like quantum names that I was watching. But AI names, these SOUNHound and BBAI, these are 10% down so far today. And we still have half a day ahead of us. So it can definitely stay above this level. But my bias at this level is pretty much this stock is trying to trap both longs and shorts, and eventually it will go lower, in my opinion, to test its 50-day moving average. Year to date, stock is up 850%, and you can call it whatever you want. You can call it a pullback, you can call it a correction, but I think it is going to test 50-day moving average in the next few weeks at some point, which is at the moment around 12 something, but 13 probably come mid-January or so. I would be watching this name to pull back to these levels. If, of course, next year starts with a bang and we have basically people rush into small caps, then yeah, the 24 still remains as a resistance level, but you can see volume has been declining. So these sell-offs have been occurring. I mean, not really big of a sell-off. It's like controlled pullbacks. And pretty much yesterday, if you watch this name, it just flushes and then recovers. And today as well, in the morning, flushed, recovered. That's when I got out in the morning. And then today, it is, I mean, so far, what is it? It's been like 2 hours since market open. It is testing that $20 level. I have my $20 support, $18 support. At the same time, I watch these ultra short-term moving averages such as 5-day and 20-day. So stock below 5-day, as long as it remains below 22, I will remain bearish the stock. And many other stocks, small caps that had that rally. So I'm not only watching this name just because I think that this is overvalued or anything like that. It's just overextended. There are many names like this. I'm watching to the downside. A bunch of them are going to be quantum names. Oklo today is pulling back. But there are many small caps. So that are, I think, start the year, pretty much people will be locking in some gains, and these names will pull back significantly from these levels because you can see it hasn't been doing much. Volume has been declining, and at the same time, these stocks were pretty options driven, and at the same time, I'm not seeing like a lot of people rush in to buy in calls. You can see risk on names such as, I mean, Tesla was pretty much risk on when it rallied. Overall market is pulling back as well. So I'm not only watching small caps pull back, but I'm watching overall even S&P 500, QQQs, pretty much all of these indices pull back and drag down with them all these smaller cap names that are risk on. So that's my update for SoundHound. I wish you guys all the best in 2025. Happy New Year. See you next year. Take care. Peace.